I've got 2 nicks in the top.
Okay.
I was thinking of just cutting along there and just having it as a wee feature. I think that sounds
Cutting, I'd mean.
sort of like, as in just cutting out this sort of bit here.
Yeah.
And as a little bit feature. What do you think?
But yeah, when you can just cut to get rid of those, is what we say. I mean.
Yeah, well, I was just gonna cut. Yeah, it's a valid point. Any more is asking for trouble.
Well,
Then if you, well, you don't need to, but if you've got the energy, you could just go in a little bit deeper with a knife, the carving knife, or you probably don't need to.
And I might just sort of keep it as a. I'll neaten up the edge of it so it's a bit hanging over a bit.
It shows the inside. Yeah, I think that's still deep enough.
bit tricky with these carvings and
Yeah, that should work. Yeah.
struggled a bit with it, but I mean, okay.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Because then, you know, when it dries, you can sand all that as well, just to tidy up the edges, get them a bit softer. I mean, it's pretty futile doing it now because there's too much moisture in there.
So once it dries out,
Yeah.
sand it.
So you know what you need to do now is keep them somewhere dry, away from radiators.
Yeah.
For, well, the longer the better really, but at least 2 months.
All right.
2 months.
Before you seal them, because
What
otherwise.
do you seal them with? Oil?
I'll show you that stage in a minute. Linseed oil, but if you've not got a nut allergy, walnut oil's the best. But walnuts,
Do you have an oil?
and then